Alright, so TSX is back home from the shop, and as usual, all Hondas always have check engine light, except this time it's true. There is no engine to be checked. It's out. It will be going to the machine shop, and after that everything should be installed and great again. The supercharger and after cooler are removed, sitting in this box over here. It's got the supercharger with the IMT inlet, the IMT spacer, Merc racing heat exchanger with coolant, and the manifold all already sold off to a customer. And in the trunk we got all the great parts. Got my throttle body, drive shafts, power steering, oil pump, fuel rail, injectors, intake, pretty much everything that pulled off of the engine is in the trunk. Inside, got the exhaust piping, runs right through to the back, which I'm going to change pretty soon. And pretty soon, I'm gonna be working on this splitter. This is the splitter from last year. Took some abuse, but I'm gonna change it up a bit for this year. Make it maybe a little smaller and seal it a lot better. Better brackets. Get some more use out of it. I'm gonna be trying to test fit these rims again. See the clearance with the strut. And that's about it. That's this week's update.